Hey YouTube family.
Hello.
We hope you all are having a wonderful day. It is a beautiful day. So Leon and I went to church this morning and we had a wonderful service, and I'll put some clips up in here of that. We actually know a lot of people in this church. We found out today that a lot of them has come and done work on our property, like our double wide pad, is that what you call it?
Yeah.
Our pad for our house when we first moved here. Yeah. The person that owns that business goes there. Some other friends that were at another church that we used to attend goes there. So we've just held on so many conversations. Wonderful people. Awesome service. So then after church, we went to Walmart. We filled up our car, went to Walmart to pick out a microwave. I didn't film in there because I had to really concentrate and look at everyone, read what they do and things. And I actually had no idea that microwaves could air fry. So after standing there for a long time, quite a long time, we chose a microwave, and we're going to show you when we get home. We're going to pull it out the box and show you. Okay, today is Monday. We rested yesterday, but today Leon's hunting right now, and so I'm in the kitchen. I'm going to show you the microwave we got. Okay, so it is a Power XL Microwave Air Fryer Plus. So what it is, I've never seen one of these up until yesterday, but it's a microwave, an air fryer, and you can also bake in it. So it poses as an extra oven as well. It has the little burner coals on top. And so I've read the book completely and thoroughly. Today I'm going to air fry some chicken wings, and I'm getting that prepared right now. In the oven I have a cornbread casserole. I had some extra cornbread left over from the other day, so I made a quick cornbread casserole. So I just want to say, if this works out as an extra oven, that would be wonderful, because I bake a lot. So I'm constantly baking 2 or 3 things at one time, and if you know all about that, then you have to wait till something gets done, change the temperature, and so forth. So I am hoping that this microwave oven air fryer helps out. One more thing before we get started. It's fried chicken, but I'm going to be doing it with chicken wings, and this is the recipe. So I'm getting it all prepared. Right now I am in a glass dish adding the chicken. I'm coating it with buttermilk and salt, and I'm going to refrigerate it for 3 hours. So it says you can use 1 4-pound chicken. I'm going to use, this right here is 3.57 pounds. And so I think this will work. This is what the air fryer came with. This pan right here and this rack. You can use the rack this way. Put it on there so it won't be that close to the broiler, or you can use it this way. And there's plenty of videos showing you how to do this. You can also use cast iron. So when you air fry or you bake in that microwave, you can use the cast iron or anything that you can put in the oven. You can use in there, not to microwave, only to air fry and to bake. So I'm going to be using this. So I've just washed my chicken off, and I'm going to put it on this plate right here. Now that I've gotten that done, I'm going to start on my buttermilk mixture. I've made my own homemade buttermilk mixture, and I'm going to add the salt to it. My buttermilk didn't quite reach the chicken, but I will stir it around every 30 minutes in there. So I'm going to place it in the icebox for 3 hours. Okay, so now it says in a separate glass bowl, you're going to add 2 cups of flour. Half a cup of cornstarch you're going to add to your 2 cups of flour. You're going to add a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of thyme, half a teaspoon of pepper, a half a teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1 tablespoon of paprika. I'm going to do a heaping because I love this smoked paprika. It is so good. Okay, so you're just going to mix all this around and you're going to set it to the side. I'm going to take out my cornbread casserole stuffing. I just kind of made it up, and I'm going to add some egg to it, so I'll show you that. Okay, so my cornbread casserole has been baking for, I don't know, for about 30 minutes. Okay, so what this is some leftover cornbread. I had some leftover garlic biscuits that I put in there, and some of these little sausages, and I put a cup of chicken broth in there, and I let it cook for 30 minutes. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to crack these eggs. I've boiled them, cut them up, put them in there, and let it cook for 30 more minutes. I'm just going to place them on the top. So then I'm going to just put this back in the oven for probably about 30 minutes. And as we serve it, we can kind of mix the eggs around in it. It's going to be okay. I tasted it. It tastes delicious. For 30 more minutes on 350. Okay, I have been stirring this around probably about every 15 minutes. And I transferred my the flour to a shallow pan. Then it says to use 2 eggs. I'm going to use 3, and you're going to mix the eggs up. Okay, I've got my assembly line going. We're going to dip the chicken in the egg, then the flour, and then in the cast iron pan. Okay, so here is my chicken, and they did say that you could layer it. All these other ingredients I will mix up, and I will make some kind of crumbled bread to throw out to the chickens. Sorry, that's heavy. So it says you have to preheat the air fryer for 5 minutes. So that's what I'm doing. It's 400 degrees. So after you put it on 400, you're going to turn the knob to 5 minutes and set the timer to preheat for 5 minutes. And then you're going to press this button to start. Okay, so this is not, it will fit in there, but the air fryer turns like the microwave. I didn't know that. So the handles catch. I had to transfer it to a baking pan, like a cake pan. And I will just put these in the ice box because actually this is a lot, and I will save those for tomorrow. So I've already preheated it. Live and learn. So you place it in there. You press air fry. It's on 400, so you confirm. 20 minutes. It says for 45 minutes you put it in there. So I'm going to put it on 45 minutes, and I'm going to turn it on. And here we go. Okay, here's the stuffing. I've been eating on it. It's like my second bowl. It is very good, very hot. It is delicious to me. I'm going to make some gravy, not homemade gravy. I'm just going to mix up some brown gravy, put it to the side, and perhaps Leon might want to put some gravy on it. But I think it's good. It tastes like stuffing. So you guys, we try not to let anything go to waste here. So this is the extra flour, egg, and milk. I'm going to put it in this cast iron pan, the one I was going to use in the air fryer that didn't fit. And I'm going to just make up some bread-like crispy dough for the chickens. I'll spread it all over, not in one lump. Just spread it all over their chicken coop, and they'll just nibble on it here and there. And so, yes, so it's 47:29 to go. I had to set it for 60 minutes, not 45. But anyway, there it's still going. Okay, so it is, we have 23 minutes and 14 seconds left. I'm going to open it up just to look at it. So there it is so far. I'm going to close it back, turn it on, and let it go. So you guys see that instant gravy? That's what I'm making right here. I don't use it too often, but I'm just going to make a quick instant gravy. I added some minced onion to it. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll just put this gravy in this gravy bowl right here. So that'll actually be for the dressing. So halfway through the time that you're cooking your air fried chicken or whatever you're cooking, you need to flip it. I actually forgot to tell you guys that, but I'm going to go ahead and show you what the top side looks like. I'm going to flip it and put it back in there for 15 minutes. I just got back from hunting, and he's going to take the chicken out. It's very hot. You need both mittens, love. Okay. Alright.
They're sizzling.
Right there. So Leon's going to make him a plate. So he loves peas. I made him some peas.
Some sweet peas.
Here's the dressing.
And all this was in your fryer?
No, I did this on the stove.
Oh.
Dressing. And the gravy. And next, the chicken. It's crispy, huh?
Mm-hmm. Chicken wing.
Alright. Okay, so I'm going to taste it in a minute. We're going to get his reaction to the chicken.
Yeah.
Is it done?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's just like that.
What's it taste like? Is it good?
Fried chicken. Mm-hmm.
Is it kind of crispy?
Crunchy.
It's crunchy?
Mm-hmm.
Let me taste it. And now for the dressing. Is it too salty?
It's good. It's good.
It's good? Like it. Tastes like cornbread dressing?
Yeah, it tastes like homemade cornbread dressing.
Mm-hmm. Y'all, it's good. It's crispy. The flavors that I put in there is good. Leon doesn't know how I made it, but he's going to watch back the video. It's got a good flavor to it. I like it. Mm-hmm. So you like the air fryer?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. I think it'd be all right.
I think it's
it's just like when we air fry the turkeys down in Ricky's every year. We air fry it.
So I can't wait to use the bacon part, like make biscuits and stuff like that. Okay, you guys, we love you. And until next time, we'll see you on the next video.